If you are confused about which Nuna Pipa to get for you and for your family, this is the video to watch, because I'm going to explain the difference between the 6 different Nuna... There's 6 different Nuna Pipa car seats. It's so confusing. If I were in your shoes, and I've been in your shoes, I would be extremely confused. They're relaxed bases, they're regular bases, there's R, RX, LX, all these different numbers and letters. Actually, they're all letters. All these different letters, what does it all mean? If you don't understand it, I'm going to explain this to you. If you don't know me, I'm Ellie from Magic Beans Videos. We have the most comprehensive reviews of baby gear on YouTube. I also own a business called Magic Beans. We ship nationwide through our website, mbeans.com, with free shipping on all strollers and car seats. And we love Nuna, done many, many Nuna reviews. And at this particular moment, I'm going to show you all 6 different types of situations with Nuna Pipas. If you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe today, because there'll be more videos like these really, really soon. Now, here is the deal. Let's start with the original Pipa. Original Pipa, if you are shopping for it, it's going to be called Nuna Pipa. That's it. There are 2 different types of bases. Now, I'll remind you that these are infant car seats. So infant car seats come in 2 pieces. If you're buying an infant car seat, it's very likely going to come with 2 distinct pieces: the actual car seat and the actual base. So this is the base. Now, the base is the mechanism that you install into your car. And over 85% of car seats are installed incorrectly in America. That statistic may have changed recently, but it's something very, very high like that. And the reason why you get a Nuna Pipa is because it is easy to install. It has something called rigid latch, these rigid little lower anchor and tether for children connectors. So in the back of your car, you have these 2 steel prongs in the back, on the bite of your back seat, which enable you to easily install car seats into it. I don't know if you know that, but it's true. And when you get a Nuna Pipa, you have this rigid latch, really hard and easy, and it clicks right in. And it has a load leg, which is another connection point, which makes it really, really easy to install. It's a very simple car seat. The car seat doesn't move, and as you'll see in the other different type of Nuna base, but this is your basic standard base. They've had this for many years. And it comes with the Nuna Pipa car seat, the original Pipa, which has a couple of features. Number 1 is that it has a dream drape, which is a component to the seat which creates like a dark environment for the baby. And you're able to install the original Pipa in a taxi or an Uber without the base. Something you should know is that car seats, some of the car seats are able to be installed without the base. It's optimally installed with the base, but with a regular Pipa, you can install it without the base. Okay, that's the regular Pipa. Now, there are 2 other types of Pipa car seats that come with this original base. There's the Pipa Lite and the Pipa Lite LX. Let me show it to you. So here is the Nuna Pipa Lite. It is 5.3 pounds. It's the lightest car seat in the world. It has AeroFlex technology inside. That's EPP foam, shock absorbing, super flexible foam, which makes it really shock absorbent and really safe in crashes. Something that is interesting about the Nuna Pipa Lite is, like I said, with the original Pipa, you can install it without the base. You cannot install a Pipa Lite without the base. You need the base. So if you're going on an airplane, take the base. Going in an Uber, take the base. And they're pretty heavy, schlep it around with you. But if you want the lightest car seat anywhere, you can get a Nuna Pipa Lite. They're really great. Also about the Nuna Pipa Lite, the regular Lite, is it doesn't have a dream drape. So the regular Pipa Lite, super light, can install it in an Uber or taxi, no dream drape. But if you want a dream drape, then you get the Nuna Pipa Lite LX. You're with me, I get it, you're with me. Pipa Lite LX. I have it right here. And the LX has a couple of different features that are different from the regular Pipa Lite. Number 1, it is an upgraded material. There's a merino wool tensile insert inside of it. And that is a naturally antimicrobial material, naturally moisture wicking. It is just an upgraded material with the Pipa Lite LX, a little bit nicer material, and you get a dream drape. Now you may ask, with the Nuna Pipa Lite LX, can you install that one without the base? No. No European belt path, no slits to install this in a car without the base. So if you're getting a Nuna Pipa Lite, a Nuna Pipa Lite RX, you can still not install either of these without the base. Great. So those three car seats, the regular Pipa, the Pipa Lite, and the Pipa Lite RX come with this original base. Now, a couple years ago, or last year, I don't know, the pandemic has thrown me. Has it thrown you? By the way, if this is a little bit too fast for you, well, you can rewind it many times, but if you want your own personalized consultation, I'd recommend that you book a consultation with one of our experts at mbeans.com. Go to mbeans.com/consultations, and we could just do this via video. Virtually, if you live in the Boston area, come to one of our stores. We would really love to help you. We've been doing this since 2004. We've helped thousands of customers. We just love meeting with people in person. We just love our customers. Now, there are 3 Nuna Pipa car seats that you can get with a RELX space. Now, just so you know, they sell RELX spaces as an accessory. So if you have one of those 3 car seats we just talked about, the Pipa Lite, the Pipa Lite RX, you can buy a Pipa RELX base and you can use it. So just so you know, they're all interchangeable with all the bases, which is really cool within the Pipa series. The difference between the regular Pipa base and the RELX base, there are a couple different differences. Number one is they have this like multi-adjustable load leg. You know, in the backseat of your car, there could be like a hump, and sometimes the load leg is a little bit too long to hit that hump. The nice thing about the RELX base is that it's this very adjustable load leg. That's that. The other thing is to get the right angle for your baby, it has this sort of like adjustable base. They also have this anti-rebound plate, so it's extra safety and extra security when you're, God forbid, in a crash, and this very generous lock-off, which makes it install if you're not using that rigid latch. So this is the RELX base. It's pretty fly. I really like it. Now, that original Pipa that I showed you in the very beginning of the video, you'll get very similar to the seat is very, very similar. Again, Dream Drape, European belt path, so you can install it without the base, but this is called the Nuna Pipa RX. So if you know that original Pipa, if you want to get that original Pipa, but with the RELX base, you're getting the Nuna Pipa RX. The RX indicates that you're getting the RELX base with your Nuna Pipa. Now, earlier in the video, you saw me show the Nuna Pipa Lite with the regular base. If you wanted to get a Nuna Pipa Lite with a RELX base, you'll get the Nuna Pipa Lite R. This video is sponsored by the letter R. R is for RELX base. So Nuna Pipa Lite with a RELX base is the Nuna Pipa Lite R. You may be asking, do they have a Nuna Pipa Lite RX with a RELX base? No, they don't. At this particular moment in my life, there is no Nuna Pipa Lite RX with a RELX base. Like I said before, you can buy the Nuna Pipa Lite RX and get a RELX base as an accessory, but you can't buy that as one package. But after you watch the whole video and you're still with me, we have the newest, latest, and I would probably say greatest, the ultimate Pipa that has everything. This is the best moment. I have the Nuna Pipa Lite RX. Ta-da, here it is. So this has everything. You know something? You just watched 8 minutes of this video. You didn't have to watch it because this is the thing that you probably are going to want, because this has everything. This is a Nuna Pipa Lite. It has a European belt path, so you could install this in a Uber or taxi at airplane without the base, if you wish. It comes with a RELX base included. It also has a Dream Drape. I'll click it in. It also has a Dream Drape. By the way, I do a full review of the Nuna Pipa Lite RX on the channel, so you can watch that after this video. And it has the Dream Drape. It has the European belt path, like as I said. It also has a merino wool insert. It also comes with an additional GOTS certified organic insert for free included with it. Also something very unique to this that none of the other 5 Nuna Pipa's had is it has a non-rethread harness. So with all of the other Pipas, there are these slits here, these like slits. So as your baby gets bigger, you have to sort of unstrap, undo it. It's not the biggest deal in the world, but it'd be really nice if a Nuna Pipa had a non-rethread harness. If you get the Nuna Pipa Lite RX, you get that. And look, the headrest goes up and down. This is extra side impact protection as well. So you have the AeroFlex foam, you have the outer layer of support, and then you have that non-rethread harness of support with this as well. And something unique to the Nuna Pipa Lite RX is it has these little magnetic holders on the side here. So as you put your baby in the car seat, you see it just magnets to the side. So this is absolutely cool. It has everything. So we have, just to review and to recap, there are 3 Nuna Pipa car seats that come with a regular base. The regular base, it's the regular Nuna Pipa, the Nuna Pipa Lite, and the Nuna Pipa Lite LX. There are 3 Nuna Pipas that come with a relaxed base. The Nuna Pipa RX, the Nuna Pipa Lite R, and the ultimate in Nuna Pipa, the Nuna Pipa Lite RX. So that is your roundup of the 6 different Nuna Pipa car seats. I hope you enjoyed it. Watch our best car seats of 2021 if you did not have your fill of car seats from this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And wait, the last thing is, remember, all 6 Nuna Pipa car seats are available to buy from us from Magic Beans with free shipping. We can't wait to welcome you as a customer, and I'll see you at the next video.